how do you make sure that you have the relationship with your customers, that you are staying close to them? What kind of steps do you do?
I think, it's a little bit different with each customer, but I think in sales, it's really figuring out what their needs are and what they need from you, and in making sure that you're advocating for them for the things that are important to them. So I think communication is really the key to all of this. You can make up for any type of shortcoming I think you have skill-wise if you just communicate well and make sure that people realize you care about the things that are important to them. We've seen this over the last couple of years with things like supply chain shortages, and there have been so many disruptions, and it's been an incredibly stressful time for some people in our industry. And I think that if you can show up for people when they're really having a hard day, they're going to see you as a trusted partner, and it will create opportunities for you on other days.
Yeah.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.